What are we gonna do?
Move the dirt.
Move the dirt?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Give me Nux. Yeah. Hey buddy, are you ready to work?
Yeah.
Give me thumbs up. Yeah. Driving the unit to the job site because there's no space for me to unload or pull the truck and trailer over to it. So me and my best bud here.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring.
Me and Andre out here. We're about to work, huh?
Yeah.
We're gonna do work?
Yeah.
With the skid steer?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Move the dirt.
Move the dirt?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds good. Give me Nux. Yeah. All right, so for this job, I've got to cut all this out and push it on the other side of the skid steer. So back there, kind of just level it out a little bit. But he wants all this cut down. You see it's like a foot difference in grade. But he's also got a culvert that I'm going to install right here. So the reasoning for having to walk the machine all the way down the road is because this is the existing driveway. I mean, this, I could barely even fit my truck right here. But there's not really any space to pull the truck and trailer, so I just felt it would be wiser to do it down that way. That being said, he has a culvert pipe that I'm going to put in right here. Got to cut that down. He also purchased a, come on buddy. He also purchased a couple of piles of asphalt millings from auction, and he's going to haul that over here so I can level out the base for the pipe and also reestablish a new driveway entrance, because that one is tragic. But we're gonna get this thing a little dirty. We're gonna move some dirt and watch out for this low overhanging line. But yeah, Andre, you ready to get after it?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Turn the camera on, huh? What do you think, Andre?
Good.
It's good?
Yeah.
All right, let's go tell him what we've done. So I got the ditch dug out. It's ready for the pipe. Put the excavated material right there. That way I can just come in, scoop all of this, just push it back in one fell swoop. What do you think? This looks pretty good, Andre?
Yeah.
Look at that. So we'll slap a pipe in there and call it good. But for now, lunch break. You want a sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go get our lunch. That was a loud Jeep, huh?
Yeah. I think what is here.
That's the water there?
Yeah.
You're so smart, dude.
Yeah.
All right, let's get our sandwiches out.
Okay.
We're getting this cut out pretty well and spread out this direction. I've got about half of it left. Got to continue cutting it out and pushing it that direction, but it's definitely coming along. So here is the cut right here. Finally got it all pushed out yesterday afternoon. Been busy this morning, so I'm just now getting back out here this afternoon. But also got 3 small loads of the asphalt millings delivered. Got our culvert pipe, trench, well, ditch. I'm gonna tidy it up with a hand shovel, put a little bit of material down there, and then put the pipe in. The homeowner is gonna concrete around it to connect it to the metal pipe right there. That was his request and his suggestion, so that's what we're gonna do. But I'm getting the skid steer here in a moment and get after this, and I will update as soon as there is more work complete. I got the asphalt milling spread, culvert installed. Definitely could use more material, but this will work. This road has been unbelievably busy, but yep, there it is. There's the old driveway entrance, and here's the new driveway. Definitely would like to build it up some more, but that's all the client could do right now, so this is what we got. Eventually, I think we'll probably fill all that in and then square it off right in this area. But yep, that's it. Now I'm gonna walk this machine down the road because that's where the truck is, and then I'm gonna go do a little side hustling and go pick up another skid steer, move it for another contractor in town. What do you call that? V-Belt and Son hot shotting for other people. But I'll show you guys some of that as well. One more look. So I didn't record the beginning of this side quest because it was on a desolate, dark road and in the middle of the country, and I had to load it sketchy. So this is our side quest. After working all day, leave the machine at the job and go pick up another contractor's machine. I'm not mad about it, not at all. A little bit of extra money in the pocket is cool, and then also networking with people and doing little hot shot loads for other people in town keeps a good rapport with people. So get this thing unloaded and then go pick up my machine and head home.
Let's see what we can make happen here.
It really helps at night so nobody comes up and snatches my legs, you know. Let's get this tilt deck back down. We're almost finished. All right. Let's head about 30 minutes in the other direction again to go get my machine. And here we are, ready to load the Bobcat up. Let's do it. Oh, let me turn this up. The heat. We got lights. Yep, I can see stuff now. Alrighty. Got it on there. Let's chain her on down. lights are working. Night. And that is how I load my machine. Let's head home.